Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your Shopify store link to your TikTok profile. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and log into your account. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. In the top right, tap the three lines to open the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and choose Account. Then tap Switch to Business Account. Follow the steps to choose a category that matches your business. Once you confirm, your account will be switched to a business account. Next, go back to your profile page. Tap Edit Profile. In this section, you will see an option to add your website. Type in the link to your Shopify store. Make sure the link is correct so visitors can open it without any issues. When you are done, tap Save. Now your Shopify store link will appear in your TikTok bio. Anyone who visits your profile will be able to click directly to your website. Thanks for watching.